Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. So in today's video we will be doing missing number series as you can see here, and this will be especially for IBPS clerk exams. And to join the test, like this questions will be in form of quiz, you will be given a certain time to solve that, and you can come and join us with it. So you can come here and join the quiz. It is cracku.in/live. Hi everyone. Hi Saloni. Hello Maruti. Hello viral videos. Gauri says, ma'am, you teach very easy way. Thank you for that. Hi Suri. Good evening. Hi Creative Satya. Hello AK. Hi Jagan. So, missing number series, what are the number of questions from missing number? That is especially from number series. They are sometimes wrong number series and sometimes missing number series. So, there are nearly 5 questions in the examination, that is IBPS Clerk Pre from missing number series, that is number series, and they are really important as they are easy, very easily solvable, and even you can gain the all 5 marks from this portion. You just need to know the correct approach and the trick to use to solve these type of question. And by joining us here, that is in cracku.in/live, you can take part in the quiz, and if you are among the top 3 people in the leaderboard, you will be getting IBPS mock test series. This series will have 25 mock tests both in Hindi and English. अगर आप हिंदी में देना चाहते हो, आपको हिंदी आसानी से आसान लगती है तो आप हिंदी में दीजिएगा, or else you can go with English. It's all up to you. How to approach this question? Suri, every question, like every single question, whether it is 2 + 2 or 2 + 3, has a different approach. So first let us see the question and then we will talk about approach for that question. Here there are different variety of question. For each and every question we will be using some different logic and some different approach to solve this question. Hi Sai. Hi Prabhanjan. So we also provide all the sectional tests, so you can give that if you want to work on particular section, or if you want to test a particular section, whether it is quants, reasoning, English. So you can just come to cracku.in and you get all the sectional test, even the previous year paper of all the banking and SSC exam. You can just come there. For now you can log into, or you can come in cracku.in/live to attend this quiz, so you can be among the top 3 people in the winner board, that is leaderboard. Hello Akshaya. Hello Haris. Hi Harika. Chalo, till then people are joining. I'll tell you a story that is somehow related to this topic. It is something like, for an example, I went to a grocery shop today morning for grocery shopping. I went to the shopkeeper. It was not a mart, it was a shopkeeper who was selling different items. I told him, what is the price of this article? He told me, madam, it is 287 rupees. I said, okay, pack me of 50 rupees. He just wrapped the thing and he gave me the article. That's it. Now the same question that popped up in a question that I was solving. It said that a person, let us say A went to a shopkeeper. He bought a product of rupees 50 and the price of the product was 287 per kilo. So what is the amount was given to A by the shopkeeper? So now this is the same scenario, whatever I got, whatever it was written in the question. The thing is, the shopkeeper is very used to that number, so he immediately packed the article and he gave me. But if I am calculating this, I required all the method, how to calculate this, calculator, and then the approach to that question. So one thing we learn from this is, if you are very used to the numbers, you know what is the number, how to deal with it. If we see 343 at any place, it should stuck in our mind that this is the cube of 7. And similarly, if you know and recognize each and every number, you will be good at it. So that is only by constant practice. That shopkeeper have worked with that article like for years. I was not the first customer, neither I will be the last one. Hello Mahima. Hello crazy gamer. Good afternoon Vivekanand. Where is live test? Mahima, you can come here. Chalo, I'll say it again. cracku.in/live. Everyone can join here, cracku.in/live, to attend the live quiz. And if you are among the top 3 scorer in the quiz, that is first, second or third, you will be eligible for a gift hamper for the winners, and that is IBPS mock test series. Which will have 25 mock tests, both in Hindi and English. How to get the series logic quickly? We will discuss that with each and every question. Chalo, let us start with the first question. Here is the first question, a timer of 1 minute. There will be 25 mock tests for IBPS clerk examination. You can go and attempt this for the top 3 person in the leaderboard. And to attend this quiz, you can come to cracku.in/live. This is a very easy question. You can just recognize the pattern by knowing initial 2 to 3, at least 2 to 3 numbers. Okay, with this, 2 people got this correct and 5 wrong. Let us see. So we know 343, okay, I'll write it here, 343, 1331, 2197, 4913, 6859, and then question mark. We need to find what is in place of question mark if we follow the same series. So we know this is 7 cube, this is 11 cube, and this is 13 cube. So we can see the pattern is either prime number or odd number. No, actually it's a prime number, as if it would be odd number we would have 9 here, but we don't have. So the pattern is following prime series. So what should this be? This should be 17 cube, and it is 17 cube, and this is 19 cube. So what should this be? This should be 23 cube. And what is 23 cube? It is 12167. So the correct answer is option A, and 2 people got this correct. Chalo, let's go to the next question. Yeah, exactly, Aryan, this is cube of prime numbers. Yes, Mahima, the test will be on the app, but this you can just come to, for this quiz, particularly this quiz, you can come to cracku.in/live. For the test, you can even go to cracku.in, that is our site, and you will be getting that test if you are among the top 3% in the leaderboard. Lokesh Kumar Singh, Mahima, please come to this cracku.in/live. This is the leaderboard and you must be among the top 3 to be eligible for the gift hamper. Okay, with this 4 people got this correct and 4 wrong. Let us see what is the solution for this question. See, when we see like what is the uniformity of a number, either we subtract or add the number, but when the numbers are increasing, like first it is increasing by 10, then 20, then on the sudden it is increasing by 1000 and it's in 10,000. That means something is getting multiplied. It's not something added or subtracted, but it is multiplied. So let us see. As in this, we can see the same thing. Here the numbers are increasing slightly, then a little more, and then 10,000 and it's among 50,000. So there must be something getting multiplied. The series is 390, okay. Whenever you get something that is getting multiplied, make sure you start with the last numbers, and that will be very easy to get the logic, that what is behind the logic behind the series. As you can see, here it is 10,000 and here it is getting 5,000. So this is into 5, but not exactly. As you can see, it is into 5 plus 20. Now if you go for this number, this is even the same thing, into 1, that is 390 into 1 is 390 and plus 20 will make it 410. So this is into 1 plus 20, do with this, into 2 plus 20, as 2 into 410 is 820, and when you add 20 it is 840. So at least from here you can get that how the series is going, what is the procedure, like what is the step that series is following. It is into 1 plus 20, into 2 plus 20, this must be into 3 plus 20, and this into 4 plus 20. So what do we get if we multiply 840 into 3? Okay, do it simply. 8 3s are 2400 and 4 into 3 is 120. So 2400 and 120 is 2520. Adding 20 to it will make it 2540. Option C as a correct answer. And 4 people got this correct and 4 wrong. Akshay and Aryanth, they have the same score, 2-2. And then comes Rajeshwari with score 1, and then Ricky with 0.75. Let's go to the next question. Any Telegram group? Yes, we do have a Telegram group. You can join there. It's Crack Q RRB SSC Banking Exam. Aparnika, you can come to this cracku.in/live to take part in this quiz, as we have prizes for the winners. There is a simple approach for this question. It's not very tough. It is the easiest one. You will get the answer when you know what is the difference between the second and the first number. With this, 5 people got this correct and 6 wrong. Let us see how do we solve this question. Okay. The question is 497 531, 582, 650, question mark, and 837. So, what is the difference between this number? You just need to check that. It is 34, that is second number minus the first number. Similarly, this is 51 and this is 68. Are we getting this? Yes, we don't know this. So, we don't know this as we have question mark and we need to find this. Now, by seeing these three number, can you are this number known? Somehow you have seen somewhere. Yes, they are. This is 17 into 2, this is 17 into 3, this is 17 into 4. So, this number should be 17 into 5, which is 85. So, you just add 85 to this number. What will you get is 735. Your answer is option B. Similarly, this number is 17 into 6, which is 102. And 5 people got this correct. Let us go to the next question. Make sure before giving the examination, you go through the entire tables. Take it from 1 to 20. This you must know. Obviously, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Till 12, it is very easy. After 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, these are the tables you need to remember, as maximum time these are used in the examination directly. Sometimes they give you the table or the square of 17, 18, 19 as in number series, in simplification, in any other question. So, make sure before going to the examination you revise this table so that you do not forget it. Aparnika, Abhishek, you can come and join here. cracku.in/live so that you can take part in this test. As till then you do not take part in the test, how can you solve this with a timer and how will you be able to come in the top 3 position of the leaderboard? And if you are among the top 3, what are you getting? You are getting is a complete mock test series for IBPS clerk, which will have 25 mock tests, so that even if you start preparing for now, when you start giving the mock test from now, if you are having an exam on 5th December, till then you do not know, as we do not have the admit card, you can give one test per day. It is 25 mock test. Chalo, the time's up. There is 4 people who got this correct and 4 wrong. Aryant is leading the board with score 4, then Akshaya and Rajeshwari, they have the same score than Jagan and Jiga, and then Ricky and Madhupriya. Come on, Madhupriya and Ricky. Chalo, let us see what is the approach we need in this question. 35, 62, question mark, 176, 263 and 370. So, to check the uniformity, first thing you do is, as you can see, this is in the increasing order. You just take the second number and subtract it with the first number. What you get here? Here you get 27. We do not know this, but we know this. This is 87 and this is 107. So, by this you know it is increasing by 20. So, what will this be? This will be 47 and this will be 67. So, when you add 47 to this, what you get is 109. So, here the question mark will be replaced with 109. So, option D is the correct answer. Okay, let us go to the next question. And here the timer have started. Come on people, you just need to check the uniformity and you will know what is the solution to this question. And even in exam, you get even less time than this. Here you are getting 1 minute to solve the question. In exam, you have entire 20 minutes just and to solve 35 questions. Tough nut to crack. It's just you need to check what is the series, what is the uniformity, and that will make these questions very easy. Any possibility for change in IBPS clerk exam dates? Till now we can't say that there is any possibility. If you are talking about the COVID and the pandemic situation, so that can change the affect the exam date. So I don't think so that is going to affect the exam date, as already there are other exams which are already conducted, that is like IBPS PO, even SBI clerk mains have recently been conducted, and even NET, JEE and all other level of examination. So this exam I guess will not be affected with COVID-19 or the pandemic situation. So the time's up. 3 people got this correct and 5 wrong. Let us see what is the Abhishek and Arpita says it's B 225, but let us see what is the answer. You know the example I gave in the starting of this video of the shopkeeper one, that he was very used to all the numbers and he knew everything. So if you practice, you will even be very used to the numbers, and you will know what are numbers used and how to approach the numbers. Similarly, the same case is here. Can we say this is -2? We don't know we don't know this number. Can we say this number is -5? Similarly, can we say this number is, and this number to be 234 minus 11, and this number to be 361 minus 13. Why I am writing this? What are these numbers? Am I selecting a random number and writing? Obviously no. This is 14 square minus 2, this is 16 square minus 5, this is 17 square minus 7, 18 square minus 11 and 19 square minus 13. And what are these numbers? These are again prime numbers. So what must be in the question mark? It should be 15 square minus, so what is the other prime number? It is 2, and here we must have 3. What is 15 into 15? It is 225, and when you subtract 3, what you get is 222. So the correct answer is option E. You just need to catch the correct approach and be familiar with the numbers, you know. Okay, and 3 people got this correct and 5 wrong. Chalo, let's go to the next question. Thank you, Suri. Aryan, thanks for replying anytime. So can you see a certain pattern? If you connect this question to the question we have just did, then even you can get the answer, but there is an easier way to this. You can just go with the checking the uniformity. It's not so tough. Aparnika, Arpita, Abhishek, you can come to cracku.in/live to be the part of the quiz. And hey, don't worry if you are late. From Monday to Friday, we come every day live or 4 p.m. Mark the time so that you can attend starting from the 4 p.m. So you can at least attempt all the 10 questions we provide here. Okay, 9 people got this correct and 3 wrong. Chalo, that's very nice. Maximum have got this correct. Let's see what is the solution. 192, 220, 250, 282 and 316 question mark. One thing is good, when you have a question mark at the last, you just need to check what is the number following. So if you are going with whatever we did in the last question, you can say even this is 14 square minus 4, this is 15 square minus 5, this is 16 square minus 6, this is 17 square minus 7, 18 square minus 8, then this should be 19 square minus 8, sorry, minus 9, and will we get the answer? Yes, 19 square, that is 361, minus 9 is 352. Yes, we get the answer is C, 352, but there is an easier way to do this, that is, let me clear this first. Okay. What is the difference between the first number and the second number here? It is 28. What is the difference here? It is 30. What is the difference here? It is 32. What is the difference here? You just check the difference. It is 34. So, what should be added here? 36. Now, when you add 36 to this, what we get is 352. The answer is option C. It is this simple. Yeah, Tuna, it's 3. Yeah, Vivekanand, it's 3. Yeah, Aryan, this was a very easy question. Chalo, let's go to the next question. Let us see what is the pattern in this. Here, Aryan is leading the board with 6 score. That is till now the perfect, as we have done 6 question and he is getting 6 score. And then comes Akshaya and Jagan with 4 each, and then Rajeshwari with 3.75, and then Ricky with 2.25, and Jigdesh with 1.75, and Jayashree with 1. Hey Vivekanand, hey Priyanka, you can join us here and be a part of this quiz. See, if you are getting a question correct, so why don't you attempt that in quiz? Maybe that correct question will lead you in the top 3 position of the leaderboard and you will get the hamper. So, to all the people, you can come here, cracku.in/live. And even if you are not in the top 3 position of the leaderboard, we do have sectional test and even past year paper, and even we provide free mock test. You can attempt this. Okay, with this question, we have 8 people who got this correct and 2 wrong. So, let us see what is the approach. 17, 25, 39, 61, 93, and then question mark. What should be in place of question mark here? So, what is the difference between this? It is 8. What is the difference between this? It is 14. What is the difference between this? 22. What is the difference between this? It is 32. So, is it following a pattern? Does it look like that? No. So, we do not know what will be here. It's still a question mark. Let us see the series, that is the second series. What we get is, when you subtract this, you get 6. When you subtract this, you get 8. When you subtract this, you get 10. Now, this seems like a pattern. This is 6, 8, 10. So, this number should be 12. So, when you add this, you get 44 in place of question mark here. So, if you add this 93 and this 44, you get the answer. And what is the answer? The answer is option D, 137, and 8 people got this correct. Jayashree ma'am, I didn't get the hamper yesterday. Please mail your email ID to the support team. Chalo, with this, let's go to the next question. Do mail your mail IDs and the information required to the support team, you will get it. Come on Ricky, come on Jayashree, you can do this, you can be among these people in the top 3 position. The series looks like the number is increased and then decreased and then increased. This is one of the pattern, like we have done this type of question in the wrong number series that we have done in our first session, I guess. Okay, 7 people got this correct. That's really good. With this, there are 9 people who got this correct and 3 wrong. It's really nice to see people participating. That is very good, and the more people participate in the quiz, it really motivates us, and this is one appreciation to us that yes, people are participating. Okay, with this, the top 3 people in the leaderboard is Aryant, Akshaya and Jagan. Akshaya and Jagan, they have the same score, but this is not the last question. We will see how to solve this question. Aparnika, she says option B. Let us see what is the answer. 13, 157, 29, 141 and 45 and then question mark. So, the numbers are increased and then decreased and then increased and then decreased. So, here something must be increased as they are alternate way. How do we see this? Can we say this and this number is forming a series and then this number and then this number as these are increasing? What is this? If you move from here to here, you get is plus 16, the difference between this number and this number, and similarly if you move from 29 to 45, you will get is plus 16 as the difference. So, what is here? Now, when you subtract the first number and the second number, you get minus 16. Similarly, when you go here, you must get, following the same pattern as we have done in the first series, it should be minus 16. So, what is 1 for 1 minus 16 is 125. So, option B is the correct answer. Yes, Rahul and Aparnika, it's option B, 125 is the correct answer, and 9 people got this correct. Chalo, let's go to the next question. This is the 9th question. See the question, if it is increasing in a linear way, that is if something is added or subtracted, just catch the uniformity and you are done with the question. You see, if it is increasing, second number minus the first number, whatever difference you get. If it is decreasing, first number minus second number, whatever the difference you get. Sometimes the pattern follows a odd number series, sometimes it follows prime number series. So, they are different way. Okay, so time's up, and with this we have 7 people who got this correct and 3 wrong. So, this was the 9th question. Let's check a scoreboard with the after the 9th question, and then we will have the last question which will be deciding that who is the winner. Till now, Aryant Jain, he is with the perfect score of 9, that is 9 out of 9. Then comes Akshaya and Jagan with the same score, that is 7. Then Rajeshri with score 6.75, and then Jayasri and Ricky with same score 4, and then Jigat Jagdish with score 3.5. Come on people, but first that first, let's see what is the solution for this question. 37, 69, 85, 93, question mark and 99. So, check the uniformity, it is plus 32, okay. Yeah, plus 32, here it is plus 16, here it is plus 8. So, till now you know how is it going, it is just getting half, reduced to half. With this we do not know, but as we know the pattern here, so it must be plus 4 and this must be plus 2. So, first let us check, when we add 4 to 93 it is 97, when you add plus 2 to 97 you are getting 99. So obviously 97 is the correct number. Option A is the correct answer. Yes Pooja, yes Prishal, yes Rahul, it's option A the correct answer, and 7 people got this correct. This was the easy question. Now let's go to the next question. Rahul, Vishal, Pooja, you can join from 4 p.m. We are daily live, that is from Monday to Friday, and you can take part in this quiz. As if you are in the top 3 people in the leaderboard, you will be eligible for a hamper, and that is IBPS free mock test series, which will have 25 mock test both in Hindi and English. So अगर आप हिंदी में देना चाहते हो, आप हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल हो, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हिंदी में मॉक्स होनी चाहिए, तो हमारे पास हैं, आप उसमें दीजिएगा. And if you want to do this in English, so even we have mocks in English, you can go with them. With this, 1 correct, 1 wrong. Okay, I guess Aryant is the leading one with perfect 10 score. And still 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds remaining. Let's see. Okay, the time's up. I guess we have our top 3 people in the leaderboard who are eligible for the hamper. Aryant with perfect 10 score, then Akshaya and Jagan and Rajeshwari, they are having the same score, that is 6.75. So congratulations Aryant, Akshaya, Jagan, and even to Rajeshwari, you have the same score as. Congratulations people, you will be eligible for IBPS mock test series, which will have 25 mock tests both in Hindi and English. Chalo, 1 people got this correct and 4 wrong. See, if 1 people is getting this correct and 4 wrong, that means people are even not attempting this. At least try attempting this. Chalo, let's see the solution for this question. (48), 24, question mark, 36, 72, 180. By seeing this number, can you guess a pattern, like are they number related to each other? Obviously they are. What you see is 24 is half of 48, okay, and 36 is double of, 36 is half of 72, that is 72 is double of 36. So can we say this is 48 into 0.5, that is half, and this is 36 into 2. Till here, am I clear? Now this number, what is this? What is, how do we get 72? How do we get 180? What we multiply in 72? So can we say that 180 is 2.5 into 72 times. Okay, what is double of 72? It is 144. What is half? It is 36. So 2.5 into 72, it is 180. So yes, this is 72 into 2.5. Okay. So now we get a pattern. Here it is into 2 into 2.5. So this must be, as here we have 0.5. So this must be 24 into 1, and this number should be 24 into 1.5. Let's see, 24 into 1 is 24. So the answer is option B, and 24 into 1.5 is 36. So option B is the correct answer, and 1 person got this correct. No problem Pooja, it's option B. Vishal 154, no. Thank you Akshaya for being there. Chalo, with this, hope you liked it, and if you did, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and even press the bell icon, so whenever we come online you get a notification. Yes, we do have a live session from Monday to Friday at 4 p.m. you can come and join, and for every person in the leaderboard who is among the top 3%, we give a gift hamper which will have IBPS mock test series, and this series will have 25 mock tests both in Hindi and English. So, whichever language you are comfortable in, you can go and give the examination in that, and this is really helpful as the exams are nearing, and even we provide all the sectional questions for quant, reasoning and English, and we do provide free mock test and past year papers. So, please join with us. Till then, let's meet tomorrow.